Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook some catfish and some shrimp, and I'm also gonna make some crawfish bread. So I'll start off with my ingredients that I'll be using for the crawfish bread. The catfish is already ready. It's in this bowl with the shrimp, so I just got to batter that and put that right here. But over here, I'm gonna use some olive oil, and the first thing that I'm going to cook in here is going to be the vegetables. So the vegetables, I have green onions, the 3 different peppers, some jalapeno peppers, some white onion in here also. So I'm going to go ahead and let that start to cook. And I'm not going to season it just yet. Um, the only seasoning that I will put on that for right now is I'll put some red chili pepper on there. Some red chili pepper on there, and that's about it. Because I'll season it when I put everything together. So that's about it for that. And I'm going to turn it down so we can cook slow. And the only thing I have in here is some cornmeal and the Louisiana batter and a little the accent in here, and that's it. So the kind of meat that I'm using for the crawfish bread is shrimp, already cleaned and deveined. I cut it down to made one big shrimp into 2 little pieces. So I devein my top and my bottom, and I take that tail off because it be all kind of mess in that tail. So yeah, and I also have crawfish, which I clean too. A lot of people don't clean their crawfish; they just take that juice off of it. But I clean this because this needs to be cleaned the same way that shrimp need to be cleaned. So that is clean. And I also have imitation lobster and imitation crab that I'll be using for the dish. Also, I'm just gonna add the shrimp in there. And as you see, I didn't season the shrimp either because everything is gonna be seasoned in that bowl at one time. So I don't want to over season it. Yeah, I don't want to over season anything. Okay, so I added the imitation meat to this. So it's just cooking with the shrimp and the peppers and the onions, the vegetables. I'm not gonna add the crawfish in there just yet. I'm gonna add it, but I'm not gonna add it until the very end because it's so little that it doesn't take much for it to cook. So I don't need to add that in there just yet. I'm mainly just focusing on this here part. So this is already ready. So now I'm going to add my second vegetable, which is the tomatoes, the green onions, and some Thai basil. So that is cooked down enough. So this is how much you want it to cook down. And so now I'm just gonna grab me a bowl, and I'm gonna pour all of this into the bowl. So what I'm gonna do now is add the last part is the crawfish, and like I said, it's not gonna cook. So this is all ready to go, and I'm just gonna transfer it and put it in this bowl. I'm finished with the fish. Finally finished with it, so I want to get that out the way because I wanted the main focus to be on the crawfish bread. So I haven't did anything but just cook the fish. So this is how everything is looking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning to it. So I'm adding paprika. And that's just for color, nothing else. I'm gonna add some accent to it. Some garlic powder. Some slap your mama. Okay, and the cheese that I'm using is Italian cheese. And I'm also going to add Kobe Jack cheese. Okay, so I have two different types of cream cheese. The regular cream cheese, which I'll add more of that one than I will the could have been melted down a little bit more, and the chive and onion. And I'm gonna add a little mayo to it also. And that's enough of the mayo right there. And so I'm just gonna blend all of this together. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little pepper to it. And a little bit more to slap your mama. And that's about it. Oh, I'm gonna add some lemon to it. This how much lemon I have, so I'm just gonna squeeze that. This is how everything should look when you're done with it. The regular Italian bread over there next to the, I think it's by the seafood over there. So I bought the Italian one. That's why it's already got the seasoning on it, and I just cut it up. About that much. It's just get you some of that seasoning. I mean, some of the crawfish. As much as you like. And just set it on the pan. It's in the oven for about, because it's already preheated, you're gonna sit this in the oven for about 10 minutes and just let it cook. Okay, y'all, so here is my final dish. This is the crawfish bread. And I made some fish to go with it. Hey y'all, thanks for watching that video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you come back real soon for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.